How can we create A4 document in Canva? Select Print from the top menu, and from here you will see sizes. In my case, I was lucky, the A4 is here, and this is the portrait one. You can scroll to the right to see more formats. And of course, we can always make a custom size as well. In that case, scroll to the bottom and select custom size. Change units to millimeters, and for a portrait we can go with 210 times 297. That's your classic portrait A4. If you need a landscape, and that's very important, if you're on the free version of Canva, you cannot flip it. So you need to start the document with the right position. So if you want landscape, you just flip those numbers. So you start with 297 times 210, and that will be A4 again, this time in the landscape. Click Create New Design, and here we are. Of course, we can still use the Design tab to apply different templates. Everything from flyers, posters to certificates, you can simply search for them or describe what you need at the top. Keep in mind, if you want a portrait now instead of landscape, if you click Resize at the top, they will let you know that this is the Pro feature. You need Canva Pro for that. So instead of resizing, you will have to make a brand new document. So again, you need to put the custom size and just flip those two numbers. 210 times 297, create new design, and that's our A4 portrait, and before that we make A4 landscape. So that's how you can make a perfect A4 size in Canva. Just keep in mind, make it right in the first go, because the resize feature is the premium one. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.